Here's a pranayama for you to expand your breathing options. I'll have you find a seated position. You could be sitting in a chair, you could be sitting on your couch, you could be sitting on the floor or on your meditation cushion, but you need to be upright. And hopefully you don't have any firm support against your back, so you kind of have to hold yourself up here. And then once you find that seated position, don't worry about having good posture. Don't worry about that at all. Just find a nice loose posture. So as you begin to breathe, you can feel yourself breathe. And you can feel your body adjusting to your breathing in every moment. And take a few breaths just to notice this. And if you're loose enough, you will notice that your body is not still at all. And it's not just the chest or the shoulders that move, but it's your spine that's adapting moment by moment. And the next time you inhale, try to breathe into your right side only. So it might feel like you lean a little to the left almost. Try that a couple more times. Breathe into the right side only. Might feel a slight side bend. And then the next time you breathe into the left side only. A nice, slow, easy breath. And again, you may feel that when you expand the left side ribs, you tilt a little to the right. Now this time, when you breathe in, try to breathe just into your back ribs. So you might feel those back ribs expand and widen. And maybe you'll feel the shoulders widen too, so much so that you might feel like you kind of round forward slightly. It doesn't have to be very much. And then this time when you inhale, let's breathe into the front. So you almost feel like your chest puffs up as you breathe in. One more like that, just into the front of you. And then just take a few breaths, expanding 360 degrees around the rib cage. Almost like you're filling up your rib cage with helium. So every part kind of floats out and up a little bit. Now come back to that right side. Just breathe into the right side. Feel that light side bend to the left. And I'm going to add on a little bit. So breathe into the right side. And when you exhale, Try to kind of use the muscles on that right side to squeeze the breath out. So there's an expansion on the in into the right side rib cage. And then kind of squeeze and contract all those muscles on the right side to breathe out. It's not going to be very much. It'll be pretty subtle. Do one more time on the right. And then go to the left. As you breathe in, expand the left side ribs. The tiniest little side bend. And then exhale, squeeze those muscles. Even if you're like not sure which muscles, right? And you just kind of have to guess at it a little bit. It's okay. This is all about options. Nice slow breath. One more time on the left. And then inhale into the back body. Exhale, squeeze those muscles to help you press the air out of the lungs. And again, it might be a little confusing. You might be a little bit unsure if you're doing it right. And that's okay, because there's actually no way to do this right. But there's also no way to do it wrong. Next time you breathe in, let's breathe into the chest. And then squeeze the muscles of the chest to release. One more like that. Next time you breathe in, 360 degrees of expansion. And then when you breathe out, use all of the muscles. Those intercostals muscles, the core muscles, whatever you got, use them to squeeze the air out of the lungs. Just a couple more of those 360 degree expansions. And a squeeze for the exhale. Well done, yogi. You have just completed your breathing options pranayama. Great job.